What's up guys, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'm gonna teach you how to use foreign currency on Revolut, so make sure to stay until the end of the video. But before we move on, it would mean a lot if you subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell on. So guys, to use foreign currency on Revolut, you need to follow a couple of steps. So first of all, you need to open the Revolut app and log into your account. Navigate to Accounts and Wallet, look for the option, as I told you, Accounts or Wallet, and select the desired currency account. If you have multiple currency accounts, choose the account corresponding to the foreign currency you want to use, or just create another one. View balance and transactions. Once you are in the foreign currency account, you can view your balance and recent transactions in that currency. Also, you can make payments or transfers in the foreign currency. So select the foreign currency account as the source of destination when you're making a payment, depending on your transactions, of course. Also, you can top up in the foreign currencies. If you need to add any funds to your foreign currency account, you can top it up with a specific currency using various methods such as bank transfer or card, or using a Revolut itself. And of course, you can do conversions between different currencies at competitive rates. If you have funds in one currency and need to make a payment in another, you can use the app to convert the funds. So basically guys, the app is designed to facilitate easy management and use of multiple currencies. So overall, that's a quite nice feature. You can use multiple currency accounts, and you can just use it as you're using the pounds, euros, dollars, whatever you're using as your main currency on Revolut. So overall guys, that would be it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in our future tutorials. Goodbye.